Now this is the Openhouse Instant Command Backpack. It can be used for lots of applications. It can be used in a major incident situation, but also absolutely any application at all. It could be first aid, it could be someone from more the paramedic side of things. I actually use one of these bags purely to carry samples around when I'm going to see some customers. So it's got lots and lots of different options. The bag itself is available in orange, like you see here, but also in blue and black. The bag itself has got lots of features. It's a backpack, so you've got the backpack straps on the back there, as well as it's got a chest strap that holds it in place, so it just stops it bouncing around if you need to. You don't have to do it up, but you can. There's also fixings on the shoulder straps as well, and there's padding at the back, so it's a very comfortable backpack to wear. On the top, there's handle, again, easy to grab hold of if you want to carry it that way. On the side, you've got all these little loops, so you can just hook stuff in there if you need to clip stuff on. There's Velcro panels in the side, again, so if you want to put something else on the outside, you can. This bit here just undoes, and it gains access inside the bag. So if you wanted to just pull one of the pouches out, you can do. So if it's a quick, easy access to get one of the pouches out, with this, you just literally just hold the tab and pull it out. So it just means you can take something out of the bag without actually opening the bag. The front, a few more connections and also a Velcro section here so that you can put a badge on here if you wanted to. And you can have these made up any sort of size you want, depending on quantity, but it's just a Velcro pad that goes on there. So if you want to put name badges or what your role is or things like that, or what's in the bag, easily go there. More fixings on the front. And on the front bit here is where you can put up little bits and pieces. So, you know, pens, paper, little pockets, more fixings, more zips. There's loads and loads of areas to put stuff and keep it tidy, and also get stuff that's very, very easy to take out. The zips on them are very good heavy duty zips and double-sided zips, so they're nice and secure. When you open up the bag, in the top part, there's lots of little pockets here that you can put stuff in. You can, we use this within the first aid and responder side. You can put masks in there and things like that. This bottom section here is another open section, but it's got a zip on, so it might be good for smaller bits and pieces you need. And then inside the bag itself, it comes with the fluorescent pouch we looked at, and then 3 others which are clear fronted, so you can see exactly what's inside them, or you could put a sticky label, vinyl label on these to actually identify them nice and easily. They're fixed in using Velcro, so they're not going to fall out, and they'll literally just go in there. And this one here is a slightly different pouch, which shows you can take out. And inside here, you've got more little securing sections for smaller items, and again, another 2 sections on that side if you want. The other pouches on there are a standard one. There's no divisions or no pouches inside. It's just a standard fixing. So with this backpack, you know, it's a very good universal bag, ideal for lots and lots of different applications. It's very good if you want to have a much more comprehensive bag for your first aid within the workplace or out in sports activities, or if you're doing medic work or doing work at events. It's an ideal small bag to carry stuff around in, very adaptable to pretty much any need, medical or non-medical.